Hi, I'm Nancy Belka. As an educator, I've discussed math problems and concepts with students at all elementary grade levels. Perhaps I've seen some of the problems that you notice in your classrooms. Many students come to us lacking confidence in their math abilities. They may hide their confusions rather than asking questions. They may be uncomfortable explaining their thinking. How can we help them develop a growth mindset and learn to discuss ideas in ways that help them make sense of math? I'd like to introduce you to my Use Your Math Power books that illustrate young children learning to engage in math discussions. By reading and discussing these stories with your students, you can help them reflect on how they can use their own thinking power to make sense of math. That's what this Boston first grader did after his class read and discussed one of the books. He wrote that he can use his math power more by thinking, sharing ideas, and trying different ways. In one of the books, Monkeys for the Zoo, the characters discuss a problem with many possible solutions. We see Mia gradually work up the courage to share her thinking in the class conversation. At first, she is afraid she might be wrong. Then she remembers the class chart that encourages her to believe in her math power, and we see her confidence grow as she describes several combinations that make 13 monkeys. In Hatching Butterflies, your students will see partners struggling to work together on a missing add-end story problem. When Ms. Green reminds Carlos and Hannah that they both need to understand their work, they ask each other questions and together find a strategy they both understand. In Penguins on Parade, your students can see the children in Ms. Green's class discussing a classmate's work to help them figure out how to count by tens from a non-zero number. These books show a math community that encourages students to take risks, believe in themselves, and use their thinking power to solve math problems. Here's what another Boston first grader wrote after discussing Monkeys for the Zoo. I can use my math power by thinking and trying different ideas and risking myself. These books can help you support your students too as they learn to take part in productive math discussions. Thank you.